Hey there everyone. In this video of Technoholic AI, we're going to talk about one of the major changes that we can see inside Cloud in terms of the way it saves your data. And a lot of people unofficially call it Memory 2.0. So let's understand what this Memory 2.0 is inside your Cloud Code. So this particular video, we only going to cover the code part. Although I would say there is another memory that you can, go in Cloud and if you go here in setting, capability, and here you will have it. But here is our focus is in Cloud Code memory, which you can access by typing / and then type memory. All right. Now I'm gonna open a dedicated terminal for this, and again I'm gonna type same command, and there we go. And I'm gonna open that in terminal, which here you can see. Now here I have enabled both these options, which is auto memory on and AutoDream on. So AutoDream is the new option. So this particular feature kind of simulate or mimic the way human being kind of reorganize their memory. So when you sleep, your brain does not shut down, it switch into maintenance mode. So whatever we have done during the daytime, we have collected a lot of information in raw data. During sleep, the brain process it and store it in your long-term memory. And this is exactly what Cloud Code trying to do. And what we need to do in order to utilize it, simply go here in AutoDream and turn this on. All right. So in this way, you can turn it on, and let's say you want to run the dream. What we can do here is we can run this dream. All right. So I'm going to escape. So we need to type the following command, which is dream, and let's hit enter. This is the way how you can make your Cloud Code dream such that it organizes memory of that particular project in a better way. So this was Cloud Dream option inside Cloud Code that will help you to manage your complex and complicated project which may be hitting the context window easily. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.